The morning came with silent tears, a voice once strong we no more hear. You walked with hope through darkest days. You lit our path in countless ways. The healer's hands, the leader's heart. You stood for truth right from the start. But fate arrived without goodbye and left us asking heaven why. Gone too soon, but your light remains in every heart, through joy and pain. Though you've flown beyond our sight, you'll always be our guiding light. Your dreams still live, they won't fade away. In the land you loved, forever you'll stay. Gone too soon, but not alone. In our hearts, you're still at home. The field was where your spirit ran, with humble soul, a gentle man. No crown you wore, yet still a king. In every life your hope would bring. The hills will whisper of your name, through wind and rain it stays the same. Your footsteps echo in our soul, a broken heart that time can't console. Gone too soon, but your light remains in every heart, through joy and pain. Though you've flown beyond our sight, you'll always be our guiding light. Your dreams still live, they won't fade away. In the land you loved, forever you'll stay. Gone too soon, but not alone. In our hearts, you're still at home. Heaven gained what we have lost, a shining star at such a cost. But love like yours will never die. It lives in every tear we cry. Gone too soon, but your light remains in every heart, through joy and pain. Though you've flown beyond the the sky. Your spirit will never say goodbye. We'll carry on the path you showed, with every step on this long road. Gone too soon, but you'll always be a timeless soul in our memory. Sleep in peace, your work is done. Your legacy lives on.